You dislike. Ha 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 ha. You dislike. Who you? Who you? You go. You go now. CryptoThorium, how's it going? I see there's a dislike, instantaneous dislike. Love it. I love you guys. I love you guys. What's going on? Give me a second to get set up here for a second, please. I know you disliked it. It is unfortunate, though. It's just how can someone dislike something without even hearing it? They got a problem. I think they got a problem, man. That's what I personally think. I am well, just watching BTC. Yeah, what's going on with BTC? Who's down with BTC? Let me see what's cooking. 10, 8, 3, 6. It's going up. No, it's coming down. Let's wait till we get some more people in here. Correction is done. No, I don't know. Good question. Oh, actually, hold on. Let me look at this BTC here. Oh, I see it's bouncing up a little bit. Okay. Maybe. It's close to that line, right? Maybe. That's the thing. Maybe. 11 people watching. Is this what you do, CryptoThorium, or what? Yeah, it doesn't mean it won't go down again. Exactly. I wish I had a crystal ball, figured this stuff out. It can go, I don't know. See, it's not really oversold, right? I mean, there's lots of room there. It can still go down, right? Who else is up in here? Let me just pull up the chart, actually, just to see what's cooking. You're learning like me? Yeah. You were on the panelist, right? You were here once, weren't you? You were on this side with me, weren't you? I know. I'm looking for financial freedom too, eh? We got to keep going, man. Just got to keep going. Yes, the bot chat. Yeah, I like you, man. Well-spoken. You know, where are you from anyway? It's almost like there was a bit of an accent. You sound like a good dude, in other words. South Africa. Okay. Yeah, there was a bit of an accent. A little bit. I could catch a little bit of an accent. Well, there's an accent. Not a little bit, but I mean, I couldn't guess where it come from. South Africa. Okay. It's like a little bit of English, mixture, sort of, from England. Yeah, so yeah, I'm learning. You got that right. You damn right I'm learning. I'm learning. And there's a big learning curve. People have to understand there is a big learning curve in this whole thing. And the thing is, though, you know, most of my learning comes from YouTube. Okay, most of my learning comes from YouTube. So some of these videos, man, I got to put it like 1.5 speed, probably like my live streams, because they're just get to the point, right? That's pretty much like these live streams. When I did videos, they were right to the point. I tried to keep it anyway. Sometimes you got to prove a point. These live streams are a different kind of setup. We have the same father. Who are you talking about, man? Mark Ellis. 14 people, 3 likes, 2 dislikes. Why do I even care about this? I'm not sure. I like to see how many people come in here because so I can just start talking a little bit. We'll see what's cooking. Who else was? I like the live streams too because of the interaction. That's why, you know, but they're time consuming. They can eat up time. When I did my videos, there was a point always behind them, you know. A lot easier to do. A lot more people seeing them. Short. Well, as short as I could. Sometimes they'd go 15 minutes, no kidding, to say something. But this is another dimension. It's another dimension. I like bringing people on here, sharing their, you know, their expertise. I don't even care if it's only one day of expertise. That's where I don't draw lines, because there's always, you can always extract value out of anything. Okay, you don't have to be like, you know, sometimes you get them in the chat like, what's going on here? What's this about? I'm gone. I'm out of here, right? Those people are just running for answers, and they will continue to run, and they miss everything else. They really miss everything else. There's so much more to it. But what's the title of this? Crypto Bot Mastermind Group. Yeah. So basically, I'm getting a bot. I've sent some, see, because I don't own any crypto, guys. See, the crypto I own was handed to me in a platter. So I had to go to the bank and send me some. It's not much, but it's, you know, I'm already in the doghouse with my wife. So I sent over, like, for example, I think it was just $1,500. From there, I've got to pay something from the bot. So, hey, I started BCC with $1,000. So we'll see how this goes. So what essentially the one I picked, actually, guys, is what I'm going to, I'm not going to talk about it because I got to research it, etc. But I did sign up under a guy. Okay, so the funny thing was we had Glenn here the other day. Right? We had Glenn in here. I'll tell you in a sec, Benji Barker. We had Glenn in here, and, you know, he shared with me this CRYPTOHopper. That's the bot. Now, listen, I didn't realize it, but the other dude, which was an awesome dude as well, with you on the live, he actually mentioned this, you know, and I've been like, my mind has like been so completely like learning, fast-paced, educational. No, because he doesn't have an affiliate link, my man. So hopefully he's in here. And I signed up under another guy on YouTube, and this guy was just like, he's a family man. He seems to know his stuff. So I don't know. I never talked to him. It's just, I just clicked the link just like you guys do. Right. But yeah, Glenn wasn't, he said there was no affiliate thing, but actually there is an affiliate program, and I have no issues with affiliate programs. That's what it's supposed to be. But, crypto, yeah, he said a lot of people ended up with bags. Exactly. Well, they actually did another release yesterday too. You know, and I'll explain to you guys why I'm going with that one. And that's just for now. Okay. No, it's not CWE. Here, I'm going to explain the 3 that I was kind of looking at, and the advantages, sort of the advantages and disadvantages. No, it's a CRYPTOHopper. I'm actually going to share with you guys, if you guys want to join in a mastermind. Basically, what I'm going to do is continuation of this. So on YouTube, we just talk about whatever, okay? Trading, whatever. But in my other group, my other group, which really we haven't been doing nothing. I've been so focused on trying to get something going. It was between ICOs and bots. And that ICO thing is still, you know, in the making. But I mean, like, it's just requires so much more effort, I find. So through the process of conversing with everybody and learning, I've always been interested in bot to capture, you know, that small percentage if we could. I want to duplicate the percentage that so many have said it can't be done or something. I don't know, to that extent. So you can't focus on everything. So what I'm going to do is basically get this bot. That's what I'm going for, is a CRYPTOHopper bot. And the reason why I'm picking this one, it's just because it has, like, I wanted as well, not just for my success, but I want success for those that have been, you know, handed this. Okay, most of you guys were in BCC, so for me to get a bot like Profit Trailer, for example, which sounds good, etc. The only thing is it requires VPS. The bot runs on its own type deal, so you got to configure it. You got to do all these things to it. But the VPS is something that maybe the average person is just too complicated. The more complicated you get, the worse it is. So I really like this interface. We talked about it yesterday on the early morning live stream. I looked at it. And another good thing is you can get this thing for free to try. Now, I'm not going to try it for free. I'm just one that's going to jump in the damn thing. I'm going to pay the $99, the $100 thing. My Bitcoin is on its way already to Bitstamp. So I'm going to use some of that to pay for the bot. It's like $100 a month. I want all the features. I want it, you know, whatever's working to work. And so I've already got, like, if anyone's interested in going into the mastermind group with this bot, first you got to get the dang bot, or even your experience with other bots would help. I don't really care, to be honest with you. What I'm looking for is a win, okay? Like everybody else in here. So, for example, the reason why I bought that is because you log into it. It's no VPS. It's not a bot that runs on your computer. And the profit, the stop loss thing, the trailing stop loss really intrigued me. Okay, now I'm not saying that the other bots don't have that. I just like user interface, the fact that you can get signals as well. See, I'm trying to understand, can we make this work for the average person that was in BCC? That's what I'm looking at. And, you know, keeping config settings, hiding config settings. I don't understand this as well, because who really cares about this? Now, to the group, that's what I want to share. That if we get something working, that's what I want. I want everybody to prosper. Okay, there shouldn't be really too many secrets on that, because I don't get it. We're buying coins, the price is just going to go up. I don't get it. The more people buy the coin, the price will just go up. But it's really, like, it's so user friendly. It's simple. You have a free trial. You can use it. So that, you know, all the other ones, for example, we have CWE with Crypto Jahid mentioned. CWE is another interesting thing, but what I get from my research with CWE, what I get from it it's much more marketing. They got like free payment ways to get paid. Matrix this, Matrix. So to me, it's like a marketing play as opposed to the bot play. Now the bots are similar. One thing I like about CWE is that you can have multiple bots. It's not just one. I could have 10, 20 bots. So if I figure out one strategy with that bot, then I can get another one to compensate for my bags or my losses or whatever, right? Just to try to figure this thing out. I don't think this CryPTOHopper does that, okay? Here, let me get out of stop sharing the screen here, sorry. What's the price, bro? The price is free. Then there's another price point. I think it's, let me look it up for a sec. The The price that I'm going to get is the highest level. Okay. $20, right? Network admin, I think. Thank you. $20 a month. But the price I'm going to get, guys, I'm going to pay the $100 a month. It gives me the most features. I got to know how to work something. I got to work it, etc. Blah, 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 all that other stuff. I mean, I don't want to exclude any features. And I don't got time to test. So essentially what I like to do is see if the buddy that I signed up under will be part of that mastermind group too. And anyone else that's in here, okay, I'm going to send you a link to a form that's going to ask some specific questions. And then I'll send you the link to sign up. If you haven't got this CRYPTOHopper thing, then you go get it. I mean, you can follow along as I, learn. I guess it's the same thing as anything else. But I just like the idea of this more passive deal where you actually are, you sign up for signals already. So, I mean, this one here, CRYPTOHopper, I mean, this one here to me was the best choice. Now, I don't know. We're going to see how the results come out, right? Exactly. Network admin says here. Okay. Listen, I'm gonna put the link in here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put the link for the bot in here. Okay, let me just put that in there so you guys can check it out, because this helps. This is an affiliate link, by the way. An affiliate link, there's nothing wrong with affiliate links. If you go ahead and buy the bot with no affiliate link, then the company just keeps it. So I have no issues with it. But the mastermind, you will need the bot to do this mastermind, or there's no point in it. So there's the link, and actually to join this mastermind, guys, or my secret training group. Join my here. I'll post all this in here. You're gonna have to answer some questions. They're very simple questions. Is that what it says? Error 404. Seriously? Why am I doing this? Hold on a sec, guys. Hold on. My chat's going. Hold on. There's my, sorry about that. Wait, give it a sec, guys. My goodness. You don't have to get, how could it be expensive? How come that thing's not working there? Yeah, there we go. So if you click on that next link there, that's to join the mastermind group. It's good, but it's too expensive for me. Okay, what do you mean by too expensive? There's a free trial. And see, I never look at expense. If I'm looking already at expense, then I'm in trouble. Everything I do has got to be an investment, not an expense. If I look at anything as an expense, I'm in trouble already. No, I don't want a Discord chat. I don't want none of that stuff. I don't want none of those things. I want this live stream type deal. It's better. Not like this. Actually, in my meeting room, it's not like this. It's open air. Everybody's on there. I got a maximum amount of people though. This is a different kind of thing. But no, I don't want that. I want to, seriously, I want to be able to, trust me, the mastermind group is unlike anything else. I want you to share your screen. I share my screen. Everybody shares. And therefore we tweak things because it's about winning. Ballot, this is more controlled. Done. CryPTOHopper. Hold on a sec. Let me share my thing here too. My other link there. I don't know why that didn't go through. Here's the link to the. I don't know if this is rejected. There's the link to the CryPTOHopper. And why I'm mentioning this is because I'm telling you guys, I'm getting this bot. I've sent Bitcoin from my bank. I've sent money from my bank account to get Bitcoin. Very small amount because I can't really afford much more than that right now. I can't. All my money, you guys know, is tied up. You guys know it's tied up. So it's going towards Bitstamp. Once it hits Bitstamp, then I'll bring it out, buy Bitcoin. Hopefully it drops a little bit more. And buy some Bitcoin and pay for the bot with Bitcoin. So you can pay with the bot as well with crypto. I'm paying for this, but you guys don't need to. You can do your free trial. But when I go through it and you guys don't have those options, hey, listen, you guys start with wherever you're starting. I don't care where you start. But in that mastermind group, I'm going to be trying to work with and talk with other people that might know, like CryptoThorium knows some stuff. Okay, he knows some stuff. He's learning, but he knows some stuff. And if we can tweak things, but another good thing about this thing, this CryptoHopper, is Glenn in here at all? Another good thing about CryptoHopper, let me write it down here, guys. CryptoHopper. Another good thing about CryptoHopper is that you can subscribe to signals. Like he was saying yesterday in the live stream. I'm looking at it today. That means, okay, that's not always the way to go. But when you're new at it, you want to test it out. And you want to get signals from people that understand all these different indicators and stuff, okay? So it won't, the config files or whatever you want to call it, you can configure that. You can tell it what to do, basically when it crosses this line and when this happens or when you get momentum, when you get more volume, etc. All these things you can configure it in. I love the interface. It looks really clean. So the config file, like you can do all these little, and that's essentially what I want to create afterwards. Afterwards, we can start with signals, which will override the configs. So you're getting signals, so you can start, controlled and making those percentage gains. Hopefully, that's what we're searching for. There is no guarantees though in crypto. But you guys are going to be experienced. That's why I want you guys to experience the flow with me right now while I'm doing it, the same thing. Yeah, and so to understand these configs, and even maybe with these signals, if they're successful, we can study the signals, at that time, why was that called type deal? Because essentially, what I'd like to see is us learn certain things to watch out for so we can as well put our own settings in there. So it's going to be multiple. It's going to be doing configs, but at the same time, throwing some signals in there too. Because we want to recreate. What I'm trying to do is recreate what we were in already, except higher percentage. So you're not looking for these stupid platforms that are out every single day. There's more and more platforms every single day. You'll see them everywhere. And they're promising, no, they wouldn't dare promise 2%. Legitimately. And can we get 2%? Wouldn't that be awesome, guys? Wouldn't that be awesome if we could get this 2% daily? There's no guarantees, but it would be awesome just because then you're not relying on anything else. Now, getting it from a signals, you're still relying, right? But if we can get it from a signals to begin and start working on configs, testing things till it's 100 nice, everything's moving smoothly. We don't need the signals. Now you're basically, you've got it. And if you can reproduce the 1% is cool. Okay, 2% is nice, real nice. If we can duplicate that, guys, that's essentially what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for the moon. But if we can, I like the profit. I mean the trailing stop. I like that idea because then you can get more, which will compensate for losses. But essentially, we're going for this 1 to 2%. 1 to 2% pretty much replaces any other stupid platform we were ever in. And yeah, there we go. Network admin 2% isn't too greedy, and it's a good growth rate. You like that idea? I mean, like, there's no point in like, why can't we just share amongst each other? Like, if to tweak something and make it work. I don't get it. We're not in competition. Trailing stop loss for the win. Yeah, like what Glenn was saying. I hope he's able to join this group as well. But what Glenn was saying is just keep going with the stop loss, right? Trailing stop loss, which is part of this whole CryptoHopper deal. And hold on one sec, guys. Give me one sec, okay? So, one second. I just want to get you guys, you know, we're always going towards, at least I am. And whoever wants to come. We're always going forwards, man. I don't look back. I never look back. I'm looking forward. I've been studying. I've been learning, trying to get this stuff together. I am not a trader. I'm not an expert trader. So here, let me just share that. I'll share the CryptoHopper. Okay. I shared CryptoHopper link there. It's an affiliate link. And I want you to join my secret mastermind group. So essentially you just got on. So let me repeat. Just click that link there. Okay. It's just going to ask some simple questions, maturity questions. Very simple. All you guys can answer those because I know my chat. The people that have responsibility can answer those stupid questions. They're very simple. Yeah. Sure, you can, network admin. You've been around here. Yes, you can. Of course you can. You got a free bot, you can come in. You might as well, listen, just to be sitting there and observing from the outside, it makes no sense, really. You're wasting your time. So when you go there, get that bot. It's free for 30 days. You can cancel. You don't need to do anything more. But I want even people that just have bot experience in there as well. But they have bot experience on a different bot. I kind of want everybody to be focused on this one. See if we can make it work. You can join if you answer the questions correctly. You have to answer the questions correctly because I don't want anyone in there that is not on the same flow. It's very simple questions. They're very basic questions. This size of that mug, eh? That's huge. Murphy. That's what I'm talking about. But in essence, guys, it's all trading. This is all trading. This is more automated trading. I like the web-based. I want people to be able to log in and we don't want to explain VPS and all this headache because I know that could be a headache for people. So it's got to be something duplicatable. I feel for everyone, okay, that's in BCC that's holding coins. So now I want people to succeed. So if we can all share and tweak and mastermind, okay, and guide each other, it's very important. You're not going to go there and just put them, you can do whatever you want, but just answer those questions because it's going to tell you, listen, you do whatever you want. Don't hold no one accountable for your actions. It's very simple. It's always been like that. But in essence, this is going to be, I think, a great thing for people to just get on board with something that is very interactive. So this meeting room is going to be like this. Videos, etc. You're going to hear, you're going to share, you're going to be able to share your screen so that we can see what's cooking. Just like, oh, what do you mean? Oh, just that config settings? Okay, let's try that, guys. And everybody's able to do that, but because you're watching it. Okay? But this is really important. There is no competition. I don't sense any competition between a bot sharing config. I don't get where the competition is. You're buying a coin or selling a coin. How is that competition? It's probably helping you. So we're going to share those things inside the group. Okay. So if you're ever on the sideline, because we got 18 people here. If you're ever on the sideline and curious about, you know, trading and bots. There's so much to learn, guys. And in that mastermind, we're going to be learning it all pretty much. But this is, you don't have to be an expert. You be just a simple person. Just watch. If you don't know, just watch and learn. And it'll be a group where people can go and just share things live, not typing, chatting. I hate this. I don't like to text on my phone. I hate it. Even texting on my phone, I just use a thing. Hey, I'm coming home. That's how I text. I'm so old. So I don't want to do that, right? But I do believe in bots equaling percentage per day gains. If we can make it work with $1 or $100, guys, think about it. Then all you do is pump up the volume. That's as simple as anything else. But you're in control now, okay, of your Bitcoin, of your altcoins. You are in control. The API works with your trading, your exchange that you're working with. I'm going to be setting mine for Binance. I don't know if Bittrex is open. You can use multiple, I guess, but I'm just going to go with Binance because I don't really have another one, to be honest with you. I have Coin something or other, but most is Poloniex, Bittrex, and Binance. So I don't know if you guys have a Binance account, would be better, but we can share that in the group as well. It's not a big deal. Yeah, we will be sharing configs. I don't understand why not. In that group, we'll be sharing configs, real data. Like I lost again, man. How come I'm holding this thing? What happened to this coin? Why am I holding it? These are the questions that you can't get answers for. You can't. You can go and search on YouTube. You can go on live chats, Discord. Like you're just getting multiple people you don't even know. It'll be more personable. You guys know me. You'll get to know other people. And I don't tolerate people that think they know it all. And at the end of it, it doesn't equal. So I won't tolerate that either. Okay? Because you'll find them all over the place. Even in this group, I am almost assuming. Somebody will say they'll be too overconfident, and I can't stand that. Too overconfident on something working. Now, if you're overconfident and it works, I love you. But most of the time, when you're overconfident, it doesn't work. Okay? So I'm just here to say, this always looked like possibilities. Okay? Let's make it happen. You know? And if it's not every day, who cares? If it doesn't happen every day, if it happens most of the time, that's what I want. The market is down and you're still holding. Man, you should have took my DGB or whatever. Who was it that took my DGB? They made it back to the point. Unbelievable. That's a pump and dump coin, I was told, by BPG. Is that was his name? He's another good guy. What was his name, CryptoThorium? I forget. BPG, right? The guy that was on the sharing with you, sharing your guys' thought. That's how I learn, guys. This is how I learn. That's how you guys learn. But I react. It's time. I've sent in. Now I'm going to get some Bitcoin. I'm not Mr. Crypto. I don't have crypto just lying around. BP, right? BP or BPG. I forget. Yeah, yesterday's guest is what got me in thinking about this CryptoHopper. But BPG, he actually was in it on one of my live streams. And he made it known in a comment. And it's like, man, you know what? It's true. He did talk about it. He was in it. Okay, he didn't have much success. But when he was in it, it was because, well, we don't know. Let's just test this out. When he was in it was kind of early. They just did another update. So they've done some more things, work to it. And the guy that I signed up under a video of his, you know, he's very positive that, well, he feels strongly that like this team of guys that are developing this are working on making it, you know, a bot that is really top 2 or 3. Right? So I'm going to test this, man. And I'm going to test it with a bunch of group of people. So you guys that are in here, if you want to join in this mastermind, you should do it by getting this bot for free. It's a free 30-day trial, okay? because this is the one that we're going to be talking about anyway. But sign up to this here, and this is my secret mastermind group. This is where we'll be discussing this stuff. But if none of you guys have it's like TradingView. When I mentioned TradingView and nobody's using TradingView, what's the point of even showing you guys TradingView? You should be getting TradingView. It's free. Then you can follow along and kind of learn stuff and do stuff and tweak stuff, because nobody's going to ever hand this thing on a platter to you. I don't believe that. Okay, no one's going to do that. And don't fall for all these gimmicks that are out there. You know, just do this and do that, and then send us some things, and then we'll get you going on the master plan, which we have 5 videos. It will show you and demonstrate how perfect you can be as a trader. It's very simple and easy. Blah 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 blah. They talk forever. Just I can see through so much of that stuff. I have signed up for free for now. Yeah, exactly. You can sign up for free. Then they have the other thing called, I think, $20 a month if you want to do that one. I'm going to go for the $99, the $100 one, because it gives me all the things. I want all the tweaks, man. I want to be able to hit everything. Bang, 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 bang. Arbitrage, whatever. I got 1 month to make this puppy ride, right? And signals is like, I think the signals is like $5 or something for one signal source. These are supposedly professionals, right? And I'm gonna try to get that guy. I'm gonna try to get that guy. See, I don't know that guy. See, but I don't blame the guy if I should go into this and it's not working. Like, you know, I'm not gonna blame this guy, man. I just signed up under him, but I want this guy as well to be part of this group. He knows about this CRYPTOHopper. He does, and because I signed up under him, he'd be more open to talking and sharing in the mastermind group. But I don't see, again, like, no, there's no reason to compete. I want us all to succeed. 3 of them, just try the one that's free. You can have a free trial. Don't, you know, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I'm going to pick the other one. I'm going to actually skip the free because I want all my options open so I can work with all the options. Okay, so I'm able to work with all the options, because $100 at the end of the month, like, this is, to me, it's an investment. It could go wrong, guys. It could go badly, okay? But I never look at it as an expense. It's an investment. It's like having a bunch of traders telling me what to pick and then having this thing do all the trading for me, okay? But we're going to go deeper. We're going to go ahead and learn this thing while it's producing config files. We'll get, basically, I come from a point that I know no coins, and I'm going to know a ton of coins. I'm just going to know, because I'm going to be involved in all these coins. Top 20 coins are going to be part of the arsenal. You know, the top 20 coins. And I'm going to be sharing what I learned to the group. So you guys get it, right? Bitstamp, I bet you Bitstamp gets there by tomorrow. And Bitcoin, if it goes down even better, boom, I buy, right? It might go down more. Let me look at Bitstamp. What's cooking? Let me look at the trading. It's so hard to tell. Let me just say this. It's very exciting and very scary, okay? And to some of you, 1,000 something, what did I get? Okay, pretty much what I pay for the bot for $100. I have $1,400 that I'll be playing with. To some of you, that's a lot. To some of you, that's absolutely nothing, right? To me, that's controlled. It's like, I really should win, to be honest with you, because I don't like losing anymore. You get it? So you see, guys, how it dropped below this blue line, and then she dropped heavier. This is the 4. This is the 4 hour. This, I don't know, guys. It could go down more. Who knows? This is the 4 hour. This candle doesn't say much yet. Did cross that blue line, though. That's never a good sign. Crossed down, so, you know, chances are it's going to bounce off this line, go a little bit lower, 10,100, whatever. But 10,000 is a tricky number. That's every even number, from what my experience is That's just a natural place where people stop. You know, we don't talk 10,100. We talk 10,000. That's what I mean, Benji. That's why I came out here and said that. I'm starting mine, so start yours, man. All you got to do is go get it here. Let me share the link again. Just get it. Get the free. Okay, get the free one. Here, use my link. Why? Because it supports me. Obviously, referral commissions. Just don't be bad about. Don't be mean. Like, don't look at that negatively. CryptoHopper is the one that's doing it, whether you get it or don't. So there's the affiliate link for this bot. Get the free version. Although you guys will soon see in the mastermind, I will have one version that will have all the things. So I want to incorporate all that, but all the other things you guys can, you know, work from that, and I'll have a different set of data. Right? Yeah. Pretty much everybody. So if this thing goes to 10,000, it might be a strong support, basically, because now we're on the opposite side of this support. I mean, sorry, we're on the positive. So if it gets to 10,000, it's going to be a hard one to cross. But this is Bitstamp, guys. So, I mean, every exchange is different. I don't know if this 10,000 is probably not the same as most other 10,000. And those like Bittrex, etc., they have the larger volume. So that's the real 10,000. Yeah, just go ahead, click the link there, kitten, and get that free version. Yeah, like get the free trial, basically. And that way, everybody's looking at the same page when we go through it, because I have no idea. I've still got to set it up. I got to do all those things. So everybody doing it, working together, kind of, everybody's going to have questions, and then there's going to be people who have answers. It's a better way. Hare, rabbit, and kangaroo. Yeah, I think the hare is the free one, right? And let me just check it out. Yeah, so this is it right here. And then you got, yeah. So you got bunny right here. This is the one you want to get. It's $19 per month, but that's a free trial is what you click. It's 30 days free. Okay? That's why we offer free bunny trial month. You don't need to provide us with any payment details. Just sign up. You're good to go. Very simple. It's right there. Yeah, bunny is the one that you want to get if you got like limited funds and you want to get in on this. And, you know, but here's where I'm starting. I'm not even going free trial. Do we have two on the same one? No, what I'm saying, listen, kitten, listen, the only thing you have to do is protect yourself, okay? You have to take care of yourself. You know your finances. This is not a guaranteed thing. Anything I'm saying is not guaranteed. This is something that I like. Okay, I'm going for this one. I'm going to do it. Okay, this is the bot that I picked. There are many different other bots, but I'm picking this one because of it's user friendly. Okay, if you can't make this one work, you won't be able to make any work in terms of using it, which is pretty much the most confusing thing, and people don't even get it going. They don't even get bots going. They get so frustrated because, okay, so what we're going to do is use one that's user-friendly you can log into, that you guys probably like that. I do. I like web-based. I like to be able to log into something and then have this thing. It's very friendly, okay? But I will be having different features because I'm doing the $100 one, okay? But I don't want you to get the $100 one if you're not, you know, if it's overextending yourself, don't do it. Get the free one, and then you'll be able to see what I've got and what I don't got. And we're working together as a team anyway. Hopefully there'll be people inside there that will all help and say, okay, with this free one, here, let's start your trading anyway, and you start making money with that, okay? Yeah, and so they're different, exactly. There's different things that you can do. Exactly, right? So there you go. For example, if you're looking at the screen, it gives you the ideas. For example, this is the one I'm getting, Kangaroo MASTERHopper. Why? Because I'm just going to go right into it, man. There's no sense in trying it, see if it works. We got to work it to make it work. That's it. So what this one has that's different is arbitrage. Remember, Glenn was talking yesterday. I don't know if it works. We'll see if it works. But he was saying that, sometimes the pairs are cheaper, like Ethereum to whatever, Neo, and Bitcoin to Neo, and then there'll be a difference in price, and then the bot will arbitrage that difference in price, buy it from Ethereum, and then sell it or whatever to the other one, and make that price difference. MASTERHopper, of course it looks good because it's more expensive. But listen, again, I want to confirm. Listen, what you should do first is go to this link and answer these questions. It's really important to me, okay? Give me a sec. Go to this link and answer these questions before you even get it. This is super important because the questions on there kind of prepare you, okay? In terms of understanding. I think this is stuff you already understand, but you know what I mean. If anyone wants to buy me the master, let me know. Buy you the master. No, man, you know what? Just come into wherever you can. The bunny, it's a free trial, 30 days, cancel it. Make sure you mark down the 30 days when you start it so you can cancel it the day before. You're good to go. This is the least amount of risk. That's why I like this, because let me tell you, the other bots, there's risk right away. The other bot I was looking at, which is not a bot, it's a manual. It's the crypto thingy. They're all crypto something or other. The one that you get signals, and then you trade it on Telegram. That one is like $200 a month. The CWE is like $500 one time, but it has its disadvantages. One of the disadvantages, I think it's more into marketing than actual bot. Okay? It's more about getting people than it is about the bot. Okay? Not to say that the bot doesn't work. There's always an option for me, but I felt looking at everything, the ability to get into a bot for free trial, this is the only one that does that. Web-based CWE does that. Profit Trailer does not do this. And the other one is, I don't know, man. You want to get a signal at 2 o'clock in the morning, you still got to trade it. So I wanted automated. So CWE and this one were the closest matches where you just log into a web-based application and you don't have to worry about VPS. Well, I guess you could do it on your computer, but if your computer shuts down in the trade, whatever, just too many variables. So this is the easiest one, CWE as well. The good thing with CWE was that I could create like 10, 20 bots for that same price. 1 year purchase, $500. You got to have $500. Okay, so that's a downfall too. But I could create multiple bots. But here's another downfall. You pay them 20% from your profits. If you make any profits, you got to pay them. Okay, they do have a referral program, but these are all so you're basically losing 20% of your trades. This one here is basically the highest level is, like you said, $100 a month. And that's it. I mean, all your coins are in wherever exchange like Binance. That's where mine's going to be. And so this is why I picked this one. Okay. So you got triggers, maximum 10 triggers. I guess triggers, I don't know what, that must mean when it crosses RSIs or something. Real-time trading bot, 500 positions. Okay. So I don't need all this at the beginning, guys. Okay. Maximum 75 selected coins. Just gives me all the options. All coins for signals. Buying with 2-minute intervals, which is quicker buys as opposed to 5 or the 10 minutes. What does this cost in percentage? What do you mean? The triggers are just like I said, you got to set up those triggers. Pretty much like, I would say triggers are like alerts, but they're not alerts. Alerts just tell you this. Triggers are one step more than alerts. They actually trigger this thing to act. You know, so if something drops below something else, like these indicators, you can configure this bot the way you want it, or you get signals and overrides the configs. Okay, at the beginning, we're probably going to try. We're going to see. I don't know. There's some guy that's been doing this. We'll get some info from him right off the bat, and then some of you guys have been doing bots. We'll get some ideas. There's different strategies to do. Okay, and I am basic level, guys. I know nothing, but it's a learning process. And if we can get it right, if I can get some education from some people, as opposed to me just learning it, this is the problem, guys. This is the huge problem. If you get one of these things, you're alone. It is true. I don't care if they got a Discord or whatever, a Facebook page or whatever. You're alone. You're literally alone. Oh, that's CWE. That's 20%. 20% of what you earn. If you don't earn anything, you don't. But 20% is a lot of money too, if you think about it. This one, I'm not even going to talk about those other bots anymore. Absolutely, you can make 1% per trade, but you want to distribute. And you don't want to ever put all your. So you have control of all that, right? Like you can control. Let's say you got $1,000 in the Binance, but you don't allocate $1,000 in trades in the day. You can, but you can allocate whatever, and then you can divide it up in amongst the coins, I guess. We're talking CRYPTOHopper. I don't know much about CRYPTOHopper. Okay, I don't know much about it. But that's what you do. You subdivide it. So if one coin goes to Caca land, the other ones are winning. And I do like that profit, like the stop loss working its way, because sometimes you can make more, I guess. But it depends on the market, right? You can never guarantee anything to anyone because the market is what guarantees wins or losses. You can only, try your best with these indicators to go with the flow. You guys get what I'm saying? But if you can plus taxes, don't worry about plus taxes. First make an earnings. First make gains. Who cares about taxes? You know what? The rich never worry about taxes. Never. Because the more they pay, the more they're making. It's very simple. No, it does not keep. Okay, so I'm not going to even share the other bots anymore. I'm not even talking about it. No, this does not keep any of your profits. The cool thing about it is you can tap into signals of traders. Remember, I've been talking about this kind of stuff, trading, etc. Wouldn't it be cool, to have a room of guys who actually know how to trade, and then they send you a doggone signal. Now, there's a lot of this stuff that are scams out there, okay? But real guys that have studied, that know trading, that know the indicators, that are successful in making trades, wouldn't it be cool if they just sent you a signal once in a while, just, hey, get in on this? That's awesome. So this actually has that built in the back end. You have to pay. Some are free, but I wouldn't touch the free ones. I want only the ones, 1, 2, or 3 of them that actually producing better quality results. Forget about the free. Free doesn't always equal better for me, especially if you're losing. No. So I don't mind paying $5 or whatever for someone sending me a signal that's potentially going to be making me profits. At the end of the day, it's what's making you profits. So I don't look at this as an expense. I look at it as an investment. The profits stay on your exchange in USDT. Yeah, like exactly whatever you want. It could be $100 each coin. Exactly right, Benji. Yeah, and it's your money. It's your control. The API, when you connect the API, which we'll be doing too, guys, okay? I'll do it. Guys, if you want in on this, it's important that you get in on this right now because I'm going to set it up like, it's very simple, I think, to do this. Get on that secret mastermind group. Click that link, okay? When Bitcoin takes a crap and you are in 20 trades, you end up holding the bag on. Yeah, yeah, exactly. But that's trading, right? That's trading. Everybody understands there's risks involved in it. Okay, that's like anything. When you're holding it and it goes for a dump, you just lost a bunch of money as well. If you're holding, it's not new, nothing new. But that's why everybody's got to click that link and be fully aware that you understand how this works. It's very simple. That's right. I was getting to that. Yeah, so you connect the API and then you don't give it access to withdraw or deposit. So they never, it's just basically buying and selling for you through an API. And that's it. You go into your Binance account or whatever and you do whatever else you want. But this only communicates. It's just basically, you know, just a little bot. It's a bot. It's something working for you. You can figure it the way you want, or you get signals sent to it. You don't have to do anything else. The signals will tell it what to do. Then it does it. And that's the only way to judge. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. This is it. And it's controlled. If you don't want to, if you want to do like $10 per coin, right? You can do that. That's no big deal. I mean, if you got $100 and you know, you set whatever, or you want $5 trades, it's whatever. So if it goes to Caca land, you lose the $5. That's 100% loss. Like goes away to nothing. But if you can start judging and seeing how's it working for you. You never want to just jump into it and just here's all my money, make it work, man. No, you never want to do that. You want to play the game. Okay. But, you know, a group atmosphere like this is where I think it's at. This setup that I have, this Zoom live thing, okay? So I'm going to continue to do my live streams on YouTube just for other things. But this, the mastermind group, this is where we meet and we're there. And we can share screens and real data. Not like, yeah, I'm making percentages, dude. Yeah, it's all good, man. Show me proof. Oh, no, man, I'm not going to do that, man. You know, that's just caca, man. Caca land. Okay? Caca. I want, if you're saying something, doggone it, just show me that it's working. Okay? We're not here to fool anyone. In that group, it's not the fool, it's your friend. Okay? That's what I'm looking for. It's people on the same page. Okay? No Lambos. No Lambos. None of that stuff. No hype. No to the moon. You know what I mean? But at the same time, it's everybody like on the same page. Okay, I want you guys to succeed. I'm hoping you want me to succeed because that's a win-win situation. Okay, it's very simple. It's not that you don't have to be brilliant here. You're passionate. You want to succeed in this crypto space. You see the potential of it. You see that it potentially could be, you know, at a different higher level. You want to start accumulating Bitcoin or altcoins, whatever it is. You want to start doing that. At the same time, you want to least amount of risk possible. So you're in control of all these elements right now when you get this bot. Right now, you can go in for 30 days for free. That's control of your elements. Don't get involved in anything more than that. You know, input a certain amount that you're willing to lose and then do it conservatively. In the group, we'll help you, each other. I think you can use 4 or 5 exchanges. Listen, guys, I got to go get my daughter. I just wanted to put that up. I just wanted to advise you guys, why does this not work? Okay, I want you to join that group. If you want to get this bot through my referral link, obviously. Why wouldn't you? It's free if you get the 30-day free trial, whatever, where they don't even ask you for payment things, then it's absolutely free. There's no referrals on free. Do I think it's possible to make a living trading on crypto? Man, yes, I do. Listen, if the prices go up and the prices go down, you can make a living. You just got to be on the right side of that, and more so than less. Okay? But listen, guys, in itself, you guys got to watch one thing, right? You got to watch one thing in terms of like, think about this. Just the fact that they have these signal groups, just the fact, okay, just think about this for a sec. Them sending a signal for one particular coin to hundreds, if not thousands of people, what do you think happens to the coin? It's almost like a self-prophecy. We're not looking for that, but in essence, that's what can happen. So, you know, for groups like this CWE that you guys are hearing about, that potentially might be one of my moves. You know, this brand new, but that might be a move later on. Why? Because they have a ton of people, and tons of people move markets, guys. That's where BCC was so strong. Okay, they had a ton of people that bought into Bitcoin. Perhaps one of the reasons why Bitcoin's so low now. It may have not been. Okay, but what I'm saying is these groups almost self-prophesize. That's why I don't get it. Why hide success in this? Okay, why hide it? I mean, if something's working, why not share that with this particular group? Okay, I don't want to share it with no dodo birds. You guys know who I'm talking about. I want to share it with people, with like-minded people, responsible people, understand. So make sure you go and fill out that form. It's important to be part of that mastermind group, okay? Get this crypto bot thing. If you want to come into the hair level, you can. If you want to go kangaroo, we'll do whatever you want to. But if you want to do the bunny and come in that way, that's okay. When I share my things, we won't have the same sharing, but let's see if we can make it all work with the bunny for you guys. And, you know, I'm going to tweak what I got to tweak on kangaroo. Right? I mean, that's it. Okay, I got to go, guys. We'll maybe do one later. Maybe not. I got to study this kangaroo and bunny rabbits and all this other stuff too. So anyway, I want to post that. I will make this video public and post that as well on the video underneath. Again, if you haven't got CryptoHopper, there's the link. And then to join the group that will be, like, you guys will be part of the process right now. Meaning, I know nothing about this. You guys are going to see firsthand how to set it up. Successes, real people talking. Just being in the room, which we can hold a maximum of 100 people. Everybody is going to be able, I think it's 100 people. Everybody's going to be able to be shown. You can hide yourself with a picture. You can hear people. Everybody's going to have input. You know, that's powerful right there. That's going to create quick answers. That's what I'm looking for. What link? It's right there. Just look at the right above you. But it's going to, what ends up happening is you get quicker answers and good answers, because the people that hang with me, they got to be on the same page as me. Anybody else, I kick out right away. Like, get out of here, man. You're wasting everybody's time. We're on a mission to prosperity, okay? That's it. That's life mission, man. We should be able to do this, click some buttons, and see things work on our favor. And that part of our life is like going forwards, where we can enjoy doing other things in life apart from being in front of a computer 24/7 and doing the trading thing, which I don't want to do. Okay, guys, take care. Thanks.